Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create loader, beautiful loader, synchronize, beautiful loader just like this. You can see how beautiful and wonderful it is. So let me show you how it will look like if I inspect the screen. So you can use it as a loader for your page, your website page, a preloader before the page comes up, or a waiting loader. So you can see how it will look like on mobile device. So what we're going to do, we're going to use classes to create those bars. Then we style the bars with keyframes and animations. We'll change the colors. So that's what we're going to do. So with no further ado, this is how it's going to look like. So let's go straight to the project. I'm going to create my folder. Name it the name of the project. Give it the project should be the name of your folder. That is my tradition. Okay, so I'm going to call it CSS loader. Yeah, I think that's good. So I'm going to right click on it, open it on with VS Code. I'm waiting for my VS Code to load. So okay, we are in the full VS Code now. So all you have to do is create a new file. I'll create my file. I'll call it index.html. Now all I have to do is to type docs or exclamation mark to give you a boilerplate of HTML boilerplate. So this is it. Now I have to rename the page. I'll call it let me see, call it cool loader with CSS. Okay, pipe Davehenzy tech. Yeah, so now what we're going to do first, we're going to create a container. So we'll just call it a container as well. Create a class called container. So for the sake of identification, I'm going to call it container. Now inside my container, I'm going to create the bars, those bars itself. So I'm going to create 10 of it. So I'll create 10 bars. Let me see if I can remember the shortcut. Okay, did not work. Just for nested text me. So we are going to create the 10 bars. So let me just duplicate it. We'll press alternative shift and down button to duplicate it to the amount of times you want it to go. Then it's completed 10. The next thing we're going to do now, let me view it on my live server so that we can get live reload of all what we are doing. Let me open it side by side with my VS Code so you can see the page is there. We'll confirm if it is actually working, if the live server is working. So let's create our CSS file. Right link, click on CSS, control. Sorry, I made mistake. Yeah, click on style and control, click on it to ask you to create. Click on create file. Yeah, so it has automatically opened. So now let's confirm if the CSS is linked to the HTML. So create a body tag, a body selector, select the body. So in the parentheses, we're going to write, let's change the background color to black. So before we do that, let's align everything to the center to save us time. So display flex, align item, then justify content center. Then we'll do the height want it to have a height of 100 view height. And the background color, I want it to be black. So you can see it automatically reloads, so our CSS is working. And let's dive right to business. So I'll just come back to my HTML page, copy my container class and paste it here, dot container, then open my parentheses, then declare the attribute. The attribute you want to, first of all, we'll give it a display of inline. Okay, then we'll align item center, justify content, okay, I'm supposed to display, I don't know, I think I've made mistakes somewhere. Okay, let me do container, let me go back to my index. Okay, I did not copy the container correctly, there's no R behind it, so I will correct that. Comes to bar, dot bar, enter, width, let me give it a width of 12, that is the bar itself. The height, I'll give it 2 pixels. The border radius, I'll give it 10 pixels. The background color, I'll give it white. Animation, okay, sorry, border radius, I'll give it a 10 px. Okay, I think I'm supposed to display now. Okay, let me see, I'm having an error here, it's not displaying. It's supposed to display now. Okay, let me create my animation up down. 1 second, is in, is out. I'll give it an infinite to continuously to be looping. Color white. Okay, I think the mistake is from my selectors here. Okay, let me just continue. Keyframe, so use the identifier, which is up down, paste it in the identifier position. Okay, now we'll say 10%, 100%. want the height. Initially the height is 2 pixels. I want the height to be 2 pixels. Okay. So at 50 it goes to 80. Okay, yeah, my container, there's an R there, sorry. So that's why it's not working. My container has an R and I didn't select it with an R in my CSS, so I'm selecting wrong, styling wrong. So you can see, let me just put an R there and up here as well, so you can see it's moving. Place an R there as well. Yes, so these are supposed to look like. So the bars are visible now. So let's tie them. If you observe, they are just maintaining infinite loop from 2 pixel to 80 pixel, which is our keyframe to control the animation. Now we're going to select each of these bars and style them. So first of all, say container dot bar iPhone live child 1. I think that was. So we'll be selecting the first bar at the front from the left hand side. So put one there. So in this type, first of all, give it a background color. To change the color itself, we'll give it a purple, so you can see the color has changed. Now we'll change animation. We'll go to change animation, give it an animation delay of 1 second, which is animation delay 1s. The S stands for seconds. So that's that. So just duplicate it, copy it and paste it here. So all you have to do is change the 1 to 2 to select the second one. Because in the both of them having the same color, we'll change the color to crimson. Now we change the delay to 0.8 seconds. So copy it again, paste it this time around. We'll change, we won't select the third, so we'll change the color, the number to 3, change the color to be deep pink. Then we'll change the seconds to 0.6 seconds. So you can see. So we'll just copy and duplicate again. And this time around, select the fourth one. We'll change the color to orange. Change the number to 4. Select the fourth one. Then the time to 0.4 seconds, which is there already. So you can see how creative it's looking now. So just copy it again. All we'll be doing is just to change the color and the animation delay, how long it takes before it expands or reduce. So apply gold, change the time to 0.2 seconds to be very, very fast. So you can see it's faster. So we'll duplicate the gold twice because it will be at the middle. So which is 4 and 5, 5 and 6, sorry, will be gold. Then let me duplicate it again. So we'll go back now. Copy the orange, just copy it from the top reversely. So 7 will be gold. 7 will be orange, 4.5 seconds, 0.4 seconds. Yeah. Orange, 0.4 seconds. You can just copy it from the top and replace it down there. Very good. Yeah, so you can see. Now the next one, you can guess, the next one is deep pink. So we just copy this deep pink, bring it down there and paste it. Then change the number to 8. So you can see. Okay. So you can see the deep pink is now 2. So the next one, guess what? It's going to be crimson. So we can just go up there, copy crimson. So you can see. And the last one is purple. So just copy the first one, we type purple, bring it down, paste it there, call it 9, 10. Last child 10, color purple 1.5 seconds. So you can see we have achieved our aim. So you can see how beautiful the animation is going. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, more interesting videos as this. So if you like it, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thank you for watching.